Hey bag lovers, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got a beautiful piece of Marc Jacobs for you today. This is a Marc Jacobs Julie, a really nice kind of shoulder tote bag with this fantastic quilting. It's a sort of beigey colour. It's almost got a kind of khaki undertone to it. Really beautiful, beautiful bag with these fantastic shoulder straps and this lovely gold chain. And they've got leather where it sits on your shoulder so that it feels very comfortable when you're wearing it. You've got a pocket on the front. Marc Jacobs is there. Let me see if I can show you the zip pull there and pocket inside there. And then the top is a magnetic press-stud fasten. Inside is a beautiful big cavernous base. You can really put a lot of stuff in here. We've got Marc Jacobs just there with your little D-ring that you can hang, whatever it is that you want to hang from there. A zipped pocket there, really good deep pocket. And then on the other side, you've got a little flat pocket just there. Size-wise, if I put it on, I will give you an idea of the size, but the exact measurements, as always, are on the website. So I am 5'4" and a UK size 10. Okay, so that's kind of what you're looking at. You can see that it's really fantastic everyday throw in tote. Comes with the Marc Jacobs dust bag, and I'll talk you through the condition. Remember, if you're a bag lover, then subscribe to this channel and make sure when you hit the bell that your alerts are switched on. So, condition. The exterior is very good condition. I don't think this bag has ever been used. So there is absolutely nothing for me to point out and show you on the exterior of this bag, other than the fact that, this will sound a bit strange, you can tell that it has existed. So I can just tell that someone has bought this and then put it away and kind of has it, but never used it. So there's no signs of wear, just signs that it has been in existence and stored away. Okay, so just that slight mark of excellent. I mean, you can see here, can you see there? Signs of a fold. Okay, so things like that. The interior is in excellent condition. Get myself all organised. Absolutely beautiful and pristine and just fantastic inside there. The hardware we've called very good condition. Now in fact, it's fantastic. The zip pull here, I don't know if you can see, it still has the plastic wrap on it. Again, the zip pull here, it still has the plastic wrap. All of this is beautiful. The only reason I've not given it an excellent mark is because you can tell there are some signs, I would say signs of wear, but I don't think the bag's been used. So signs of existence, shall we say, on that press-stud there. So it's just a mark of excellence, so I've called it very good instead. But it's an absolutely fantastic everyday tote. With the gold as well, I think it gives it a real something. I just think it's a beautiful, beautiful everyday tote bag. So as always, there's a link to shop this on the website if you go to my comments below this video. Before you go, remember to give us a thumbs up if you like the bag and then subscribe to the channel. But then when you've done that, go and click the link, check this out on the website. And remember to sign up to our newsletter on the website, and then we'll send you a discount code that you can use on your first purchase. It takes about 20 seconds for you to do. So what you do is you go to the website, you can use the link in the comment below, but you go to the website, scroll to the bottom of any page, there's a little box, you pop your email address in there, and then we will send you your discount code. It's an immediate response, so if you haven't got it within 60 seconds, check your spam folder in case it's gone in there. But have a wonderful rest of the day, and we'll see you back here very soon for some more Armcandy.